topics related to the first lesson. Okay, different topics we are covered. In that we discovered about the autotropism, heterotropism, human digestive system, and diagram we are discussing. Okay, what is the meaning of autotropism? Can you tell me what is the meaning of autotropism? Yeah, just autotropism is nothing but the plants will prepare their own food. All plants will be there in the autotropism. You know heterotropism? What is the meaning of heterotropism? Heterotropism is nothing but all animals which are present on the earth, they will take the food with the help of the plants only. That is called heterotropism. Already you know. In that we are discussing about the human digestion, our system we are discussing. Okay. Okay. I think in the last class I draw the diagram. Again I will draw the diagram. Okay. Just this is the mouth. First we have to draw. Okay. This is esophagus and stomach. This is the stomach. Duodenum, U-shaped duodenum. Small intestine. It's a small intestine. And after that you will get a large intestine. Yes. This is the large intestine. And finally you can see the anus. Okay. So this is actually our digestive system. These many parts are there. You don't know internally, but you see only mouth and anus. Okay. Now in these parts, this is a mouth. I will just give. I am writing again. Mouth, esophagus. Again I am writing esophagus, stomach, and the duodenum. This is duodenum. This is duodenum and small intestine. The small intestine and the large intestine. Large intestine. So, and last one is the anus. These are the major parts we can see in the digestive system. So one by one we will discuss it. In this lesson we will discuss one by one very clearly. Okay, this is the one part. Afterwards, in autotropism we will discuss about the plants. How the plants will produce food. That is nothing but a photosynthesis. That we will discuss later. First, ourselves will learn first. Okay. Now we see the mouth. Okay. In mouth, just I am talking about one by one. So here not only this, so you can see the glands also. I told already. That day I told already this is a gland. That is liver. This is the liver, and there is a leaf shape gland. That is called a pancreas. This is called pancreas. Okay, clear? Now I am removing one by one and the large, small intestine and everything. What is the thing we are discussing now? That will be there on the board. Okay. Now see, this is the mouth. In mouth, if you see, we can see what we see in mouth. Okay. There is a tongue will be there. We can see the tongue. We can see tongue, and not only tongue, we can see what we can see. We can see teeth also. There is a small area will be there that is called oral cavity. Oral cavity. Just note of this one, very important. Okay. So the mouth. Inside the mouth you can see the tongue. We can see teeth. We can see one cavity will be there. That is called oral cavity. Not only that, we can see some glands. Some glands will be there. Those glands are called salivary glands. Those glands are called salivary glands. Remember all these things. Very important. Mouth. You can see the mouth. So, if you open the mouth, if you see teeth, we can see. Tongue, we can see. And also oral cavity. And inside one glands will be there. Those are called salivary glands. What is the meaning of salivary glands? You know all the things. Remaining things you already know. Tongue you know. Teeth we know already. Oral cavity, some space will be there. That is oral cavity. What's the meaning of salivary glands? That one we discuss now very clearly. Okay. So salivary glands are, how many will be there here? How many are there? If you see the salivary glands, how many are there? How many are there? 3 pairs are there. 3 pairs will be there. Pairs means total 6 will be there. Okay. How many pairs are the 3 pairs will be there? They are given in the page number 14. You can see very clearly. Page number 14. Very clearly they are given where they are located. Okay. First pair is located at the side of the jaw. First pair where it will be there? First pair will be there side of the jaw. Side of the jaw. They are given one Latin word, that is submandibular. That is called a submandibular. That is submandibular. You have to remember this name. Submandibular, side of the jaw. Next, second pair below the tongue. Okay. Next, you can see second pair will be there. Second pair will be there below the tongue. Second will be there below the tongue. You can see below the tongue, the name also given, that is called sublingual. Sublingual. It is sublingual. See. And we can see second pair is located below the tongue, is called sublingual, and the third pair is located side of the ear. Third pair will be there. Third pair will be there. Where will be there? Side of the ear. Third pair is side of the ear. What is the Latin name actually? Side of the ear is called parotid gland. Parotid. That is called a parotid. That is called parotid. Okay. So here you have to remember, what is the meaning of salivary glands? I think you are thinking it's a new gland. You know already. You know the saliva will be present in your mouth when you are talking. Every 24, it will be released every time in your mouth, one liquid-like substance. Throughout the day, it will release. So your mouth will be, some water will be present. Just observe that one. On the tongue and inside the near the teeth, you can see some water substance will be there. That is nothing but a saliva. The salivary glands release what? Saliva. That is called a saliva. Liquid. That is the liquid. You can see in your mouth some liquid will be there. Transparent liquid. We can split now sometimes. That is nothing but a saliva. We can split. Okay. So that is nothing but a saliva. Saliva is produced by salivary glands. How many pairs are there? 3 pairs are there. First pair is side of the jaw. This is the jaw. This is the jaw, lower jaw. We are moving only lower jaw. Yes or not? We are moving only lower jaw. Okay. So upper jaw will be there. It is fixed to the your skull. Now first pair is located side of the jaw. First pair. And the second pair is located below the tongue. Already tongue is there now. We can see under the tongue. Under the tongue we can see another pair. And the third pair will be the side of the ear. These ears will be there now. So side of the ear, third pair will be there. So in that you have to remember submandibular, sublingual and parotid. These are Latin names you have to remember. very important. They will ask in bits. So every time I will tell the questions like 1 mark, 2 marks, and 4 marks questions. What are the important topics I will tell. So these are the bits and important questions. Bits are 1 mark questions. They will ask 1 mark. Bits are 1 mark. What is the submandibular? Submandibular pairs are located where? Like that they will ask questions. Okay? And sublingual means, what is the meaning of sublingual? Like that, some bits they will ask even the 1 mark questions also. They will ask 1 mark questions. They will ask 1 mark questions. Total topic is the 2 marks question. The total topic, I think, is what I told. What is the meaning of salivary glands, where they are located, and what is the function of the salivary gland. Like that, after I will explain. But the total is a 2 marks question. Okay. Now, so how many pairs are there here? 3 pairs will be there. Now, in saliva, it is a liquid. Okay. Transparent liquid. So the saliva contains one enzyme. That enzyme is called the enzyme which is present in saliva. That is called salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. Salivary amylase. Salivary amylase or ptyalin. Salivary amylase or ptyalin. This enzyme will be there. What is the meaning of enzyme? What is the meaning of enzyme? Enzyme is nothing but that will fasten the reactions. What is the meaning of reaction? One product will be converted into another product. That is called enzyme. So in our saliva contains salivary amylase or ptyalin enzyme. Okay. So this enzyme, what it will do? What is the work of the salivary amylase? It will act on carbohydrates. It will act on carbohydrates. You have to remember. So it will act on the carbohydrates. Before that, you must know you are taking food. Yes or not? You are taking food. In that, what are the things will be there? Proteins will be there. Carbohydrates will be there. Fats will be there. These 3 will be there. So you are thinking, what is the meaning of proteins, sir? And what is the meaning of fats? What is the meaning of carbohydrates? I will tell example. Example: rice contains more carbohydrates. Wheat, chapati contains more carbohydrates. If you see chicken, mutton, they contains more proteins. If you see oils like sunflower oil, daily use oils and freedom like that, so many oils we use now. So in that contains more fatty lipids will be there. Here, the saliva which is present in your mouth, that will act on the carbohydrates. Whatever the lipids and fats, these will enter into the stomach. Remaining will be digested in the stomach with the help of enzyme. That we will discuss afterwards. Okay. So here, saliva will produced by salivary glands. These glands will present 3 pairs. Their locations I told already. So the saliva will be act on the carbohydrates. They will digest some of the carbohydrates. What is the meaning of digestion? Nothing but example. This is the piece of the carbohydrate. What it will do? It will break. It will break into small pieces. It will break into small pieces. Breakdown. Digestion is nothing but a breakdown. Okay? The big pieces of the carbohydrates break down into small pieces. That is called a digestion. Okay? So here also the carbohydrates will be digested. Some of the carbohydrates, only partially it will be digested. Okay? So here you must remember In the mouth, what are the things are there? And tongue and teeth, oral cavity, and salivary glands. These things you have to remember. What about the tongue? What is the work of the tongue? I told the salivary glands. Okay. What is the work of the tongue? Tongue is a muzzle-like structure. A tongue is a muzzle-like structure. You don't have any bones. Muzzle contains, these tongue muscles contains taste buds. They contains taste buds. It contains taste buds. It contains taste buds. These taste buds will tell the taste, like sweet, sour, bitter, okay, spicy, salty, like that. These tastes will be there. Now, who will identify first? Tongue will identify. Example, you prepare in your home, okay, that will be more spicy or less spicy. Who will identify first? Tongue will identify. Brain will find less. More salty, less salty. Will tell tongue will identify. Okay? So the taste buds will take the taste. Not only that, the work of the tongue, it will mix the food inside the oral cavity. While you are eating, what happens? The food will be mixed properly. Example, while you are chewing, what happens? The food will be entered equally into the each part of the teeth. Now we will go to the teeth. Okay, if you see the teeth, okay, so if you see the teeth, different sizes of the teeth we can see. If you observe the front teeth, total how many teeth we have? 36 teeth will be there. Developed, I mean adults. Okay, remaining things we'll discuss about, okay, afterwards. Next session we'll discuss. Okay, so teeth will be 36 will be there. It will be there in 7th lesson. It will be very clearly. It will be there. Okay. Tomorrow's homework is just practice salivary glands portion. Salivary glands. Salivary. Children, previously we have discussed some topic, that is teeth. So teeth, if you see the teeth, okay, teeth are nothing but it is made up of calcium carbonate. It is made up of calcium carbonate. It is nothing but a bone type of thing. It is attaches to the lower jaw and upper jaw. How many will be there? Teeth are there. How many? 36 will be there. Total teeth how many? 36. Upper jaw 18 and lower jaw 18. Upper jaw 18 will be there. Lower jaw 18 will be there. And if you see again 18, lower jaw divided to half. Again 9 will be there. 9 and 9 and 9 and 9. You can see left side and right side. You can see left side 9 will be there and right side 9 will be there, left side 9 will be there. If you see half of these 9, 2, okay, 2, 1, 2 and 4. 2, first 2. Canines. These are canines, okay, incisors. Canines, incisors, molars and premolars. Okay, the formula, first 2 will be there, after 1 will be there, after 2 will be there, and again you can see 2 and 2. How many total? 9 will be there, na? So this is actually formula. This is a formula, dental formula. First 2 will be there, just 9. 2, 1, 2 again and 2, 2. This is the dental formula actually, which is present in your mouth. So it is not there in the textbook actually, it is there in 7th lesson. What is the work of the incisors? First 2 will be there here, just observe half of the 2 will be there, incisor, they will cut the food. These incisors first 2 are highly developed in vegetarians like cows and buffaloes. These front teeth, okay, Okay? So this is about the teeth. Just remember, teeth will be used for the chewing. Teeth is used for the chewing of the food.